Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, January 30th. Today's essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo is titled The Energy of Being Real. He starts it with a quote from the poet Rumi. Do not seek any rules or method of worship. Say whatever your pained heart chooses. Do not seek any rules or method of worship. Say whatever your pained heart chooses. Mana is a term originally used in Polynesian and Melanesian cultures to describe an extraordinary power or force residing in a person or an object, a sort of spiritual electricity that changes anyone who touches it. Carl Jung later defined the term as the unconscious influence of one being on another. What Jung speaks to is the fact that the energy of being real has more power than outright persuasion, debate, or force of will. He suggests that being who we are always releases an extraordinary power that without intent or design affects the people who come in contact with such realness. The beautiful and simple truth of this can be seen in looking at the sun. The sun, without intent or will or plan or sense of principle, just shines, thoroughly and constantly. By being itself, the sun warms with its light, never withholding or warming only certain things on the earth. Rather, the sun emanates in all directions, all the time, and things grow. In the same way, when we are authentic, expressing our warmth and light in all directions, we cause things around us to grow. When our souls, like little suns, express the light of who we are, we emanate what Jesus called love and what Buddha called compassion, and the roots of community lengthen. In this way, without any intent to shape others, we simply have to be authentic, and the sense of mana, of spiritual light and warmth, will emanate from our very souls, causing others to grow, not toward us, but toward the light that moves through us. In this way, by being who we are, we not only experience life in all its vitality, but quite innocently and without design, we help others be more thoroughly themselves. In being real, in staying devoted to this energy of realness, we help each other grow toward the one vital light. So let's do a practice around that. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be nice and soft, natural. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now connect to the realness of you in this moment. Just let the stream of your real feelings move through. Don't try to describe anything yet. Simply connect to the felt sense of what is going on in your body, non-verbally. And now start giving direct voice to the particular feelings as they arise. On each exhale, simply say whatever moves through you. Sadness, fear, confusion, peace, boredom, joy, whatever it is for you in this moment. Now let the stream of feelings continue to rise as you return to breathing in silence. So once again, returning to just feeling, non-verbally. Now feel some of the tangible objects around you. Chair, window, wall. Feel them lean in your direction, in the direction of the light of realness that you are emanating, without any particular design or plan. Now that we've connected to the realness of ourselves, the authenticity of what is you, let's send loving kindness in all directions, above and below you, to either side, front and back. May all beings be filled with loving kindness. May all beings be well, in body and mind. May all beings feel cared for, protected, at ease. May all beings know deep, natural peace. Place your hands on your heart and now send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well, in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As you let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you? As you go through your day today, I invite you to stay with this reflection. Consider, how can you connect with this energy of realness? How can you be your authentic self to cultivate the sense of mana, of spiritual light and warmth, so that by being who you are, you not only experience life in all its vitality, but you help others be more thoroughly themselves. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.